Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know that I'm really addicted to dyeing my hair. Now I'm really sick of this color. So I called my friend and asked her if she had an idea for me. She said let me do it this time. Now I don't know what color she's going to buy. I just said I don't want jet black. You know, last summer I had jet black, so I don't want it for now. Now I'm waiting for her. So stay tuned. Alright, now she's here.
Hello.
What is the color?
Any idea?
No. It's red?
No.
Thank God.
No. Surprise!
Ooh, it's brown. Number 6.11.
Yeah.
What's that? Let's get started.
Let's go.
Let's go. It has purple mark?
Yeah.
I love the smell of this.
Oh.
Do you think it will suit me?
Yeah.
Really? Really?
It's so small.
That's why we need $2.
Mm.
It's shampoo.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Alright, the color is ready, and I changed my t-shirt. She wants to change her t-shirt too. I'm gonna wash my hair right now, but it looks purple.
Why? I don't know.
This is my color.
What happened?
But it's purple.
Hopefully it's not purple.
Thanks for watching our videos. I hope you really enjoy it. See you next time.